guys. Alright, got my wood all notched out. Alright, so now we're gonna have to address the high and low spots because sometimes you will have it. And being that I didn't have it like a stock or something up there to hold the wood down to the table saw, that's why I got the high and low spots. I didn't set one up. I should have, but I didn't. So, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a 60 grit, very aggressive sandpaper, and lightly just go past all of this to take out the high and low spots. All right. What I'm gonna use for my tool, you don't have, if you don't have this, you have a regular sandpaper with a block or, a palm sander or whatever sander you have. It really doesn't matter. All right. You're still gonna get the same finish. I just happen to have a roll of zip with this aggressive, I guess it's a 60 grit sandpaper on it. I found this to work very well just to speed through it. Other than with my palm sander, I could have went with my palm sander with aggressive sandpaper, would take me a little longer to get it down. So I'm not pressed for time, but I just want to get this done. So I'm gonna use this lightly, go back and forth on it, taking my time, not to get too aggressive with the wood, but just to smooth it out with this. Then once that's done, then I'll come back with 100 grit sandpaper to get it smoothed out for paint, and I'll do the top and bottom, but only the aggressive sandpaper. I guess it's the 60 or 30, I'm not sure, but it is very rough. It's gonna address this section here. All right, once this is down, then I come with 100 and do this side and this side to get a nice finish. All right, so I'm gonna do that, continue that on, set my little time lapse, letting you see the progress of my work. But that's just basic sanding. All right, this is prepared to get it on the wall to get ready for paint. All right, so let me continue on with this. Alright guys, here it goes. This is then the finishing product here. It's all sanded down, all the rust spots. Oh, not all. I got a little bit right here I just missed. I just noticed that. Alright, I'm gonna come back and hit this off again. But that's pretty much how it looks, dude. Everything's pretty much taken down. All the rust spots, except that corner I missed. I don't know how I missed that. Hit it with 30 or 60 grit to get it all down here. Came back with 100 grit to finish off the top. Hit the edges also to get it ready for paint. And that's it. So this is all done. All right. Looking to now finish the second one. And I guess a little tip, guys. And again, this is for the beginners. All right. I'm a beginner, and this is something in my skill set. It works for me. When you use some type of device like this with aggressive sandpaper, you want to keep that sandpaper moving. Keep it moving. Don't leave it in one spot, because if you do, you can get high and low spots. It's really going to dig into that wood. So approach it lightly. Keep it moving back and forth, so you have a nice, easy, level finish. All right. Do not sit in one spot with this. And also, with this machine, you can adjust the power level, how fast you want it to rotate. So take it down to the slowest speed you can, and just take your time and go back and forth, so you don't destroy your work. All right, so because it's very aggressive, and you want an aggressive one to get it down real as fast as possible to get it done. All right, you want to be here all day sanding. So just tip again, when you're using something like this fast, this aggressive, keep it moving, keep it back and forth on the wood, so it doesn't dig out the wood too quickly, all right, or burn through it too quickly. And that's it. And once you get it done, come back, feel it up, because it will show up on paint. I got a little high spot or low spot right here on the edge, which is not really that bad because I'm gonna end up doing a 45 here anyway, so I'm not even worry about this edge here. All right. Yeah, that's right here. I might hit it off just a little bit, just in case, because I'm going to take a 45 off of here anyway, so I'm losing most of this anyway. But anyway, and that's it, guys. So I'm going to continue with the finish off this one. I'm going to go do my second one. And I guess another tip that came to mind, since this molding is going to take up one window. It's going to be the top, bottom, left, and right. When you cut these down, try to keep the stock all together for that one window. The reason why, because you know everything is lined up properly. You're pretty much on the same plane at thickness, and so everything lines up pretty nice when you put it up on the wall. You can mix and match as long as you're consistent, but if you're not, or if you're not sure, I find it much easier to keep these two sets of wood, these 2x4s together for one window, because I know everything's the same type of wood, it's the same cut, it's the same measurement, it's the same everything. So it should line up pretty nice. At least that's my opinion. All right. Again, that's it. All right. So let me continue on. I just want to point that out to you with that. And again, this is very dusty. Definitely have some type of respirator on for this dust. Loud machines also. So if you value your hearing, get some type of ear protection. All right. You got to have that. All right. Because machines are constantly roaring, and it will play a havoc on your hearing. So those are two things I want to just point out. Take your time on that. Keep the machine moving. Have the proper safety gear on for your hearing, and as well the respirator. And that's that. So I'm gonna keep this on, then I'll get it cleaned up, and then I'll show you how I'm gonna cut it down. Alright guys, I just want to show this image right here. Alright, before and after. What I started off was a regular 2x4. After you rip it down, you're gonna get this rough looking. After it's dadoed out, you're gonna have this here, and after you're totally done, it should look like this. Nice finished product, ready to be cut and painted. So these are the evolution of a 2x4 becoming a custom molding. So, all right. Just want to show that to you guys. So what we're dealing with, the before and after, as far as using this 2x4 as a custom molding. All right. So, all right. Just want to show you that. Let me continue on.